Next, let's move on to variables. Variables are an important part of any program. In Python, they are quite easy to create. When you create a variable in Python, you simply type a variable name, a space, an equal sign, and then assign it to some value. This value is going to be some data type, some function, something else that we'll talk about later on. To give you a basic example, I'm going to set the variable hello equal to the value Tim. Think of a variable like a bucket that stores some data or stores some type. Now, if I want to access the value that is stored in hello, what I can do is I can simply say print hello. What this will do is it will say, okay, this is a variable. I know it's a variable because I saw it earlier on the program. Let me see what its value is, and I will print that value. So now I'm going to run, and you can see that we get Tim. Let's make another variable. Let's call this world. Let's actually set this equal to the value world. Now let's print hello, comma world, and let's see what we get. We get Tim and then space world. Variables are somewhat complex. You can make them equal to other variables. If I decide to change the value of world to actually be equal to the variable hello, what's going to happen is they're going to say, okay, hello is a variable. What is hello equal to? Hello is equal to Tim, so I will print Tim. Now watch what we're going to get. We get Tim. Now what happens if I come here and I change hello to be equal to no? If I do this, what's going to happen is world will not change because world was set equal to the value of hello at this line. At this point in time, line 3, because our program reads from top to bottom, the value of hello was Tim. So world gets set to Tim. Then hello gets set to no. That does not change the value of world. So what you're going to see is we're going to have Tim, and then we're going to have no. So let's have a look here. And sorry, other way around, we get no Tim. My bad, we printed a hello first and then world. I had that mixed up. That is the basics of variables.